Hello, my beautiful souls. A very good morning to a new day of love, growth, and self care. Today, we are focusing on something we often neglect in our busy lives, our health. In the rush of daily life, we forget to pamper ourselves, and when we do, it's usually after our body shows sign of physical pain, disease, or mental stress. But today, we will take a moment to honor our health, to invest in self love, and to celebrate our win by staying healthy. Let's give ourselves the attention we deserve. Are we ready? Say yes. Let us begin by relaxing completely. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel the calmness settling in. Close your eyes. Now, soften your eyebrows. Relax your cheeks. Release the tension from your jaw. Feel your shoulders drop, melting all the tensions away from your entire body. Your shoulder, your belly, your feet. Let this relaxation flow down your arms into your hands. Let your whole body feel at ease. Allow your mind and body to be still with no movement. And just focus on my voice and this music. Our body stores so much negative energies, stress, overthinking, and traumas. If we don't release them, they manifest as pain, discomfort, or even illness. So let's honor our body by letting go of that negative thought which is troubling you and start your day with gratitude. When we are fit and well, we are able to attract all our goals with an ease. Place your hands on your heart and let's begin. I am grateful for this beautiful life, for waking up each day healthy and strong. So many don't get to see new mornings, but I do. I am thankful for the opportunity to sleep peacefully and rise to fresh new beginnings. I am grateful for my heart, for its steady rhythm, my heart beating. connecting me to others and allowing me to give and receive love without even needing my permission. My heart beats 24/7, keeping me alive and well. I thank it deeply. I am grateful for my lungs, for every breath they take, filling my body with life and energy. My breath allows me to move, think, and live fully. I am grateful for my immune system, which works every single day to protect me, fighting off illness and keeping me healthy without me even realizing it. I am grateful for my brain, for its ability to think, create, and solve problems. It is the center of my mind's, my body's control, guiding me with wisdom and strength. I am grateful for my hands, which allows me to create, touch, and express myself. They are tools of love and kindness, allowing me to serve and contribute. I am grateful for my legs. I am so independent, allowing me to freely move, travel, and explore the world. I am grateful for my digestive system, which provides my body with the energy it needs to function properly. It works tirelessly to nourish me, give me strength each day. I am grateful for my senses, my sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell that allow me to experience the beauty of life, to enjoy its wonders and feel deeply connected to the world. I am grateful for my body as a whole, for the miracle that it carries. Every part works together in perfect harmony, allowing me to live, love, and achieve my dreams. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out through your mouth. Smile and let this beautiful smile spread in your entire mind, body, soul, and your aura, as that is what will reflect outwards. If you love this moment of self-love and gratitude, I invite you to join me every day at 2:30 p.m. IST for a free scripting session happening daily, Monday to Friday. It's open for all, and I would love to welcome you into our VIP WhatsApp community. Link below. If you loved this gratitude, for the best results, practice this gratitude twice a day, morning and evening, every day for a month. Trust me, when you honor your body, you manifest your best life. It's time to live without limits. Be limitless, don't limit your success. To like, subscribe, and to comment. How was this experience for you? Did you connect with your body? Are you feeling already that you are healthy and your whole immune system is healthy too? Do drop below. I love reading your comments. Bye and have a great healthy day.